also kids.
Hello, kids. Let us learn 6-letter words. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. I-N-S-E-C-T. Insect. J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. L-A-D-D-E-R. Ladder. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet. Q-U-O-T-E-S. Quotes. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. T-I-G-E-R-S. Tigers. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Valley. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. X-Y-L-O-P-H. Xylophone. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Z-I-G-Z-A-G. Zigzag.
Thank you, kids, for learning with me. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.